Hey guys, it's Miranda the Explorer here, and today we're going to be playing some Roblox and Adopt Me in Roblox. So we don't really play Roblox in this channel, but today we are going to be playing some Adopt Me in Roblox. So let's just get started into the video. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is my backpack / inventory, and the next thing is my house. So I'm just going to exit home really quick so I could show you my inventory. I know I could show you in the house, but I don't want you to get any sneak peeks or anything. Okay, so the first thing in my inventory / backpack is my pets. I only have 5. I have a monkey, 2 dingoes, and an otter, but my favorite one is my flyable panda, and it's really rare because it's out of the game. Now my pet wares I only have 3. I don't really buy much of these stuff because I usually use my money on decorating my house. So yeah. I'm also going to do part 2, by the way. I actually bought this crate stroller and the regular default stroller. I have a sandwich, a big head potion, includes a blueberry pie, a cake, a ham, 4 hyperspeed potions, a bunch of lemonades, a lollipop, some pizzas. A bunch of pizzas, 2 popcorns, excuse me, 2 s'mores, a soda, 2 tacos, a bunch of teas, and a bunch of water bottles. I'm sorry. And in my vehicles, I have a hoverboard, 2 cars, and a motorcycle. And in my toys, I have an airplane propeller, a lemonade stand, a monkey propeller, a dog leash, a boomerang, clown umbrella, medieval grapple, 2 protein bottle rattles, a dog balloon, a steel drum, a Led Zeppelin balloon, and a soccer ball for a toy. And I have 3 big gifts. I might open one right now, like in this video, and I might open both of them in part 2. Okay, so my house here, I want to show you my house really quickly. So I have this rug right here. I have 2 counters, 3 lights. This is one light right there. A white and a white and black refrigerator. I have a pet room because I had to go up and downstairs to take care of my pet. I have a bed / crib, whatever you want to call it. A toy, food and water, and a bathtub. And I have the bathroom, the bathtub, the sink, the toilet, and some candles. And then last but not least, upstairs we have my room. I really like how my room turned out. It has a sleek bed, this light, this desk with a pink ring light on it, this rug, and this dresser. So yeah, let's open one big gift really quickly. Let's see what we got. Oh, I have 2 of these now. Dang it. Okay, so, yeah. I'm gonna do part 2. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So, yeah. Kisses to everyone. Bye, guys.